Looking to create beautiful quilts with ease and precision? The best sewing machine for quilters offers specialized features to handle thick fabrics and intricate patterns. Discover machines that combine power, accuracy, and versatility to bring your quilting projects to life. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine for Quilters. The Brother XM2701 sewing machine offers a practical balance of versatility, ease of use, and value, making it an appealing choice for quilters and everyday sewing enthusiasts. With 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch options, plus an auto-size buttonhole, it provides enough variety to handle a range of projects without overwhelming beginners. The automatic needle threader simplifies setup by pushing the thread effortlessly through the needle, while the drop-in top bobbin design resists jams and keeps the workflow smooth. Accessories are generous for this class of machine, including 6 sewing feet, a 3-piece needle set, a twin needle for bobbins, an instructional DVD, and a user manual. This means new users can get started immediately without extra purchases. The free arm design makes it easy to handle sleeves, cuffs, and smaller, more intricate tasks, while still being suitable for larger quilting projects. Whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or seasoned sewer looking for a dependable secondary machine, the XM2701 is user-friendly yet capable enough for creative experimentation. Brothers at your side, support is a significant plus, offering lifetime technical assistance via phone, online, or live chat. While it may not have the computerized features of higher-end models, it stands out for reliability, portability, and affordability. Overall, the XM2701 is ideal for someone seeking a well-rounded, straightforward sewing machine with thoughtful features that reduce frustration and support consistent results. Number 2. Brother CS7000X Sewing Machine for Quilters. The Brother CS7000X Sewing and Quilting Machine is a step up in functionality, offering 70 built-in stitches that include utility, decorative, heirloom, and quilting patterns, plus 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes. This range of stitch options allows for considerable creative freedom, especially for quilting projects or garment construction. The improved automatic needle threader is more reliable than in some earlier models, reducing the fuss during setup. A jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin ensures smooth operation, even on longer sewing sessions. The machine includes a wide table for large projects, 10 sewing feet, a quilt guide, and a protective hard case, as well as a trilingual manual. Its metal frame provides durability and stability, while the fixed needle bar improves precision by keeping the needle in place during sewing, resulting in cleaner and straighter lines. The CS7000X also features a large needle-to-arm workspace, giving quilters and sewists more room to maneuver larger fabrics. This is particularly useful for blanket quilting, drapery making, or other bulky projects. While it offers more advanced features than entry-level models, it remains accessible to beginners thanks to intuitive controls and clear instructions. For intermediate and advanced sewists, its durability and stitch variety provide a reliable workhorse for daily use. This machine is a compelling choice for those who want a blend of professional-level performance and user-friendly design at a reasonable price point. Number 3. Brother XR3774 Sewing Machine for Quilters. The Brother XR3774 is designed with both beginners and experienced quilters in mind, offering 37 built-in stitches that include blind hem, decorative, and quilting patterns, plus a one-step buttonhole for convenience. Its automatic needle threader eliminates the hassle of manually threading the needle, and the drop-in top bobbin is jam-resistant, helping to maintain uninterrupted sewing. This model comes with a generous accessory package, including a machine cover, wide table for larger projects, 8 sewing feet, and an instructional DVD. The wide table in particular is a valuable addition for quilting, providing extra space to manage larger fabrics with ease. The versatile free arm makes it practical for sewing smaller cylindrical items, such as sleeves or pant legs. The XR3774 stands out for its simplicity of operation paired with enough creative flexibility to satisfy more ambitious projects. It is lightweight and portable, yet sturdy enough to handle thicker fabrics when paired with the correct needle and settings. The stitch selection is clearly marked and easy to change, making it a great everyday machine. While it lacks the computerized features and broader stitch library of more advanced models, it excels as a reliable, straightforward sewing companion for home projects and quilting. For users who want a dependable, easy-to-learn machine with a wide work area and thoughtful extras, the XR3774 is a solid choice. Number 4. Brother SE700 Sewing Machine for Quilters. The Brother SE700 stands out as a combination sewing and embroidery machine, appealing to creative users who want versatility in a single unit. Includes 103 built-in sewing stitches, 10 styles of one-step auto-size buttonholes, and an impressive 135 embroidery designs with 10 lettering fonts. The wireless LAN capability allows you to transmit embroidery files from your PC using Brother's free design database transfer software or via the built-in USB port. Integration with the Artspira mobile app means you can create or download custom embroidery patterns and transfer them wirelessly. The machine has a 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery field with an included hoop and embroidery arm, making it well-suited for personalizing home decor, garments, and gifts. A large 3.7-inch LCD touchscreen enables easy on-screen editing and design preview before stitching, streamlining the creative process. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin help maintain efficiency during use. 8 sewing feet are included, supporting a range of sewing and embroidery applications. This model is ideal for those who want to explore embroidery without sacrificing regular sewing functions. While it may require a slight learning curve for users new to computerized embroidery, its combination of modern connectivity, design flexibility, and solid sewing features make it a powerful creative tool. For quilters, crafters, and home business owners alike, the SE700 offers extensive design potential in a compact, reliable package. Number 5. Brother GX37 Sewing Machine for Quilters. The Brother GX37 sewing machine is a versatile, beginner-friendly option that balances usability with functionality. It features 37 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and a one-step auto-size buttonhole, covering a broad range of sewing needs from garment repair to quilting. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin ensure smooth operation and reduced frustration, especially for those just starting out. The GX37 comes with 6 sewing feet, a needle set, bobbins, an instructional DVD, and a manual, making it ready for immediate use out of the box. Its free arm capability makes sewing cuffs, sleeves, and other small projects easier, while still being able to tackle quilting tasks. The stitch selector is intuitive, allowing quick changes without interrupting workflow. Although it lacks the expanded stitch library and advanced computerized features of higher-end machines, it performs reliably on a variety of fabrics and projects. Brother's lifetime technical support adds peace of mind, ensuring help is always available if needed. Lightweight yet durable, the GX37 is also a good option for those who need a portable machine for classes or sewing groups. Overall, it's an excellent entry-level choice for hobbyists who want a dependable, easy-to-use sewing machine with enough built-in options to grow with their skills. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.